guys, let's just unpack nje kulezi indaba zala South Africa. Ezinye they just become too toxic. Yabona lento ka Gogo Maweni, uThola Small, uGogo Skhutheni. It's a lot now. Like it has taken social media manje. It's all about them. And it's toxic leya into. Inhlambi lapha. You can't even say those things, guys. Like even uDumi nje kuSkhutheni. Utoxic lo muntu. Manje usevele nje wahlala ku-TikTok uthukana noThola Sibonga ngazo zonke izinto. Unekuku elimnyama engathi lishefiwe, umumbi akagezi. Guys, like I mean, like it's beginning lapho, like what are you building there? Yini oyakhayo lapho? Those are crazy things. Like you go on like that the whole day. You don't do anything now endlini ubhizi ukuthi abantu uthi abagezile, but now ungathi awugezile. Like the whole day. Ngeke guys, there's nothing like that. Hey bo, kufanele bakhuze laba abantu. Let's izwa in another video ngithe they need intervention. Actually in one of my posts ngathi bo kufanele bahlaliswe phansi kukhulunywe nabo manje labantu. Can you do other things now? Like can you be busy with other ndaba zayo? Wale siyabhora manje. It's actually like a broken record. It's so boring. Oh my word. And that's what you think, guys. You must just let me know. I like them and all, but baningi manje. In abazenzayo, like it's a lot. They need to calm down. And then bese kuzoba indoda ka Gogo Maweni, umalume wakhe oboshiwe ngoba kuthiwa naye involved angithi in the deletions of 2 people, those murder cases abazibalile ezika Gogo Maweni bathi zo 4 besides the assault. Angithi khona assault vele le abeyihlalele ejele ya 2019 bese kuba khona allegedly 4 murder cases. So uyena umalume wendoda involved in 2. So bavele bambopha ke ubrothers ne akwaziwa ke story sikakazwakali kahle. Sikhishwa ubani omunye naye ku TikTok owundaba oyikhipha lezi indaba ukuthi ene uzwile yena kanje, but it looks like it is the truth ukubona or sithi alleged. Simuve lapho mase kuba khona umunye ubaba ovele ecourt ne lo baba lo umdlwenguli. It turns out actually ukuthi it was just one case, right, in Frankfurt ngapha ku Free State. It's a very small town. So it's like 38,000 people abahlala lapho, and the poverty there is like so crazy to a point where this boy, one of the boys okuyena oboshola ukuthi ngathi wamdlwengula, wambiza wathi ayiboza kwami uzongisiza with small things. So the minister there Yakdala was just explaining about how trying to help the communities there. And the story that happens here because of poverty and all of that. This guy was trying to help the boy basically was trying to help so they take like odd jobs just to keep them busy. We want to know babe involved going yawupe nezinye idakamizwa ezenzakalayo balokishini uyazazi. So this boy goes ke ayomsiza lo baba started doing izinto enganeni. Guys, hoyibo, just like bra, like what are you even doing manje enganeni? Nayi izoya ngobani ekhaya kuhlushekiwe. That's how one of the ex-ministers was putting it. Ukuthi ngenxa yonhlopheko ingane they would start to do odd jobs kanti ingane azikho safe. It turns out when he was just about to ukuthi actually ibail, and the minister was also explaining ukuthi lana izinto nje lephelele emoyeni, iSAPS doesn't really follow up on things. People will report stuff like this. Kuthe mase sekufikwa ecourt, it turns out okay, this is not the first case. I was like, oh bra, kanti ubhizi wena nezingane basically. So this is not the first case. Kusabhizinebhili kakwazi ukuthi kuzophila lapho. If you have been following my channel, this one on News Galo for days, there's a story some lions that have been doing ne abalega ngapha ko KZN ama-lions awu 3 adla. They actually ate some cattle there. Some guy was even saying ukuthi mina ingane zami ziphila ngale inkomo. Just now njoba kuvula ikolo, I've just paid a lot of money for school fees from the cattle that I'm breeding here. So if Imvelo, KZN, wildlife is not gonna help me pay me back lezi inkomo bathi bazongikhokhela mase bethole those 3 lions. Is there anything like that, guys? So this is my third video about that story. Bathi bazomkhokhela mase betholile ama-lions. I'm just like, that's so unfair though. It looks like he lost like 3 or 4 ngey'nkomo zakhe. So now the lions, I even made some joke engahlekisi ukuthi what if they come into Johannesburg, those lions? Phela azosidla sonke la endleleni. 2 ama-lions now, they've moved from where they were. One of them was actually caught. 2 is still missing. It's not safe. And there's where the children are moving, like in some bridge, ehlukanisa Vryheid, and where the lions will last seen. There's a crazy things they are moving. If they're here in Vryheid, oh guys, they are definitely coming to Johannesburg, those 2 lions. So one of them, by one, it was caught. So sisazoke sime lapho ngalezi indawo zala eSouth Africa. Kodwa nje abanye abantu they just become too toxic, guys. You can't be doing videos on social media live every day when no uyabonakala ukuthi you haven't watched in that video but busy uthuka abantu. Fosek umubi awugezi guys, how do you know? Uyababona abantu sabagezile loku busy uthukana nabantu. Ngeke it's a lot. And uma wena usavela wayitholela ubhizinesi family yakhe, ubhizinesi life yakhe. Nini you saw the video uthi one for cleansing. Wayis-cleanser kahle waba muhle. Abantu abenze lezo zinto bayehlukane nokuhambe bethukana nabantu ku-TikTok the whole day. Guys, uthola simona ubebhize ebizana no-sisters embiza ngesifebe. Mina my thing is this, umuntu uma sezobiza ngesifebe and tell who you are without your consent, wofeba na yini? Mina that's just my thing. The stuff that they say, those people, it's like, do you know me? I'm just like, you need to calm down. I don't know what you guys think. But you can't be telling people those things, guys. Goodbye, if be like, do you know them for sure? Goodbye, if business chilling assistant that he hired from the Philippines. Guys, him driver at that time, but it's all as mom dollar for those things. Justify it to Musamnan. I think these people are supposed to be known as celebrities. They need to build our children, but there's nothing there that they're building, those people. Crazy stuff that they're saying on social media, like the whole day, bruh. Like, honestly. So, as men lapo, guys, thank you. Ngithanda over.